Hey, what's up, everybody? Welcome back to Telcalp Guy. Today, I'm going to show you how you can record OBS with an audio. So, here's how you can do that. So, just open OBS Studio, like so. Currently, we are recording here in the OBS. So, there are some key features that you need to remember and to clear up first before hitting record. So this is what you need. Just hit the record button and automatically it'll record the screen. But with an audio, it's different. Mainly because you're going to need to have this, the sources page. So these are very important. So there are two. There are primarily two types of sources, display and audio input. So for the display, this is the main screen that you want to display. So you can choose either the monitor, or if you have another monitor. So this is the primary monitor. If you have another monitor, you can also select it here by clicking on this arrow button or just clicking this. And then next is this one. This is the audio input. This is what's important if you want to record with an audio like what I'm doing right now. So what you want to do here is just click on this. And then here, if you have a microphone, for example, me, I'm using an ATR 2500X USB microphone. So you click on this and then you can select the type of microphone you want to use. So this is my laptop's microphone array, Intel. So, but I want to use this one, the ATRX. So once you select a device for the audio input, once you select a display, then you can go ahead and click on record. And that's about it. Hopefully we were able to help you out on this. If we did, please of course to hit the like and subscribe button and follow us for more videos only here on Telcalp Guy.